more records together. Track we have here is For My Hand. This is Ed Sheeran. I saw that they put like a trailer for the video, and the video should be out by now at the same time as the album. Should we check out the video? No, I don't want to be distracted. I don't want to be distracted. Or check the video another time. But let's hear it. This is Ed. Ed brought Burna out in the middle of the Wembley Stadium, and they performed this song. And from that snippet, it sounded beautiful. It sounded absolutely beautiful. And Ed Sheeran, obviously, after, like, clearly, Ed Sheeran knows. I mean, at this point, we made it clear that Ed Sheeran is a versatile artist enough that can marry well with African acts and at least sonics of African music. And he has done that. He has showed that clearly with Peru, and even some of his work on the Divide album. I think the Divide album. Which album had the blue text? I think it was Divide. Yes, no, Multiply was green. But yeah, as far back as that, I've been going to live in Ghana for a good minute and studied the sonics of it. I'm excited to check out in full context what he's doing with Burna, because that sounded amazing in the stadium. Maybe
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. Oh, girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am.
Giving me chills. This is actually giving me chills. Bro, Ed's voice. Ed Sheeran, man. Ed Sheeran and Burna, bro. The contrast between their vocal textures is what's doing it for me, man. It's what's doing it for me. It's giving me chills. They both sound sweet. Oh no, bro. I love that they're gonna make this a focus record. Clearly, it's freaking Ed Sheeran, bro. Of course. But bro, they sound amazing together. I wanna hear it.
Just love you and hold you for my hand.
Hey!
Hold you for my hand.
Oh god.
Hold you for my hand.
Bro, this is gonna be catchy.
Hold you for my hand. Over and over again.
Burna has another one. Burna has a massive global song, bro. Burna has a global song. A global song. This is a chart topper right here. Bro, it sounds so well cooked for radio too. We're about to get into Ed's verse.
Over and over again. Yeah, my love is burning, babe. Feels like time is frozen and the night is for us. We're alone again every moment.
Ed is not sleeping on the track too. He's super intentional about it. Did you see that inflection that he kicked in the middle there? Bro, he'd be like he's gingered about the record. You know when Ed Sheeran actually likes a song? He gives it his all, man. And I like that he's taking this record very serious, as it should. Okay? Put some respect on the African giant's name. But man, this sounds great. Bro. This sounds like a global record.
Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever.
Hey!
You sit through the storm and take me as I am.
The drums too, I pick it up.
Baby, it's magic. Anytime that we're together.
Bro. They need to do more records together. I can see it. Bro, their vocal textures is what's doing it. They could be a band. They could be a duo. I see it. I see the vision. Bro, they should be serious about making records together, bro. Because their vocal, like, as they're both layering each other, you can distinctly tell them apart. But at the same time, it gives it a very complete feeling. As every note they're hitting, every tone they're hitting, it's just, bro.
Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand.
That's so catchy. Bro, their voices are amazing together, bro. No, they've discovered something. Their voices are amazing together. They need to make more records. They need to put out maybe an EP, bro, like a joint EP. A joint EP, at least, the very least, a joint EP, bro. Nah, they sound amazing. Together. We didn't get this, obviously, when they collaborated on Own It, because they didn't necessarily, like, Burna just had his own voice, so we didn't get to see this. Well, I think it's the first time we're getting to see this, like, properly. A proper collab. This is what we call a collab, in every sense of the word. This is collaboration to the T. Bro, you're having the base layer of an African sound, like of a very straight, like West African rhythm there, and you can hear the shakers, you can hear the percussion too, and you can hear the beat pick up. But on top of that, what carries the song is a very soulful, almost like a ballad that they're just placing on top of it. Because the way that chorus and that melody kicks in, especially when they're singing together, it's so nice and it's so sing-alongable. Like you're there. Again, this is like packaged well for radio. This is like in the malls, strip malls. You're gonna see this on radio in the back of the Uber. You know what I mean? Like, bruh, I can see this. This is gonna be a massive record for Burna. This is gonna be a massive record for Burna. This is going to be a substantial. I can already see them giving it energy from the freaking rollout of the teaser on Wembley already. You can definitely see some intentionality around there. Obviously, clearly, Ed loves the song too. And when Ed loves the song and carry it on top of his head, same way he did for Fireboy, it's gonna be massive. Afrobeats is a global genre right now. It's a global sound. And seeing what some of the biggest artists to like lean knee deep into it, bro. Like this is going 2 for 2 with it. With Peru now, he's gonna have this. Now, like this is definitely be a global sound, and it's nice to see this sound at that level. Seeing Burna carry it as he has always been. This is a beautiful song, man. This is a beautiful, beautiful record. How you guys feeling about it? 95%. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. How can you say no on this one, man? Anyway, we're about to get into another track.